Hi, I'm Anthony from Boss Audio Systems. Today we're going to be looking at the BCAMW80, the latest in our new product line of dash cams for your car. The BCAMW80 is a 2-channel dash cam, which means it can record both in front of and inside of your car. This multi-angle system is easy to set up and comes equipped with two 150-degree wide-angle lenses for extra wide coverage. The cameras also record 1080p Full HD individually. The BCAMW80 is capable of local Wi-Fi connectivity between devices, allowing users to view, stream live video, manage files, download, delete, and play back your recorded files easily through our BCAM smartphone app. And the emergency event recording feature automatically locks a video after registered collision thanks to the G sensor built into the device. A motion detection feature will also capture any movement in front of your vehicle or collision against your vehicle when it is stationary and not running. Any files saved will have the date and time stamp logged. Perfect for ride-sharing services or day-to-day use, you'll never miss the moment. A 2-inch touchscreen LCD allows easy access to settings while keeping the unit compact and discreet. Included is a power adapter long enough to hide and reach your car's cigarette lighter, a 16 gig SD card that will roughly provide 160 minutes of recording time. There's also a GPS logger included. After a trip, you plug it into your laptop or computer and it will tell you the routes you have traveled, how fast you were going, as well as other information. The BCAMW80 is designed with a quick and easy setup in mind. To begin, attach the mounting plate on your BCAMW80. Make sure you clean the surface thoroughly to ensure a strong bond and prevent any vibrations transferring to the device. Strip the protective layer of the adhesive patch on the mounting plate and firmly press it onto the windshield. Then, connect both the GPS logger and power adapter to the BCAMW80. Route each cable through your vehicle to hide and secure them down, making sure they never hang or get in your line of sight. To set up your GPS logger, strip the protective layer of the adhesive patch and secure it down in a wide open area to ensure a good signal. Now, you can connect the power adapter into your cigarette lighter. The unit should power up, ready to go. The next step is to adjust your camera accordingly as well as your preferred settings. Remember to check any glare and adjusting your cameras properly. You can view your video feed through our BCAM smartphone app. To link your device to the BCAM app, first, open the application and follow the prompts on your screen. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi activated on your phone and on the unit itself. The BCAMW80 offers plenty of relevant features in a compact and notable design, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind when you're on the road or away from your vehicle. Thank you for your time. This was Anthony from Boss Audio Systems. Be safe, everyone.